And you are a long-standing partner of KOSTAL. You've already been a guest at our video format. So how did the cooperation come about?
So the cooperation is about the easiness for the installers, what they can get once they have a KOSTAL inverter. So what comes when a customer has a KOSTAL inverter and then subsequently the meter, we can communicate with the KOSTAL meter directly. So they don't need a meter from us. Rather, it's easier for the customers of the KOSTAL that they can integrate their hot water solution with MyPV together with KOSTAL. So that's the benefit which comes with the KOSTAL.